Get away from Central Florida before the storms start rolling in.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, today is an impact day, mostly for the late night hours into the early morning hours, because we could have the potential to see a couple strong to possibly even severe storms. I'll show you what the biggest threats are. The biggest threats will be the possibility for some strong winds as well as hail, timing between 8 o'clock tonight, possibly lasting until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here's a look at our first warning radar out this afternoon. Pretty quiet out there. Just a few light rain showers out right now in northern Flagler County. We have this tiny shower in Palm Coast, as well as this light rain shower band that just passed over Salt Springs. But I want to widen out the picture and show you the storm system that we're watching. It's this complex system of thunderstorms here in the Panhandle that we're watching pretty closely. Here's a look at our lightning tracker. Look at how much lightning is associated with this. Some reassuring signs, though, with this lightning tracker. You see most of the lightning is towards the south, and it's heading more towards a southeasterly direction. If it does that, that is a possibility of seeing more of the severe to strong stuff moving to our southern areas, mainly South Florida, and hopefully avoiding us here in Central Florida. So here's a wider perspective of Futurecast. Looking at the state of Florida here, watching the band of thunderstorms there in the Gulf. Watch how it dives southeastward, and it moves mostly over South Florida. That doesn't mean we won't see anything here in Central Florida. We're still watching the possibility of the severe weather threat, but right now it's a little bit of reassuring sign that most of that should be to our south. However, up ahead of that main complex, though, we could see some convection develop here with the daytime heating. Here's like around 6 to 7 o'clock. We could see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms south and west of Orlando right around then. And then that line pushes east-northeastward towards the Orlando metro as we go into around 8 to 9 o'clock tonight. And then towards the I-95 corridor, that's where we could see some embedded stronger thunderstorms that could be of strong to severe, again, with hail and gusty winds being the biggest threat. Then here's that main storm complex, the one I was talking about earlier in the Gulf. This will be arriving over our far western counties right around midnight to 1 a.m. Still looking at some scattered showers and thunderstorms, watching for the possibility again for 1 or 2 to be strong to severe. And then as we head off towards the 4 to 5 o'clock hour early tomorrow morning, watch how that line starts to weaken around that time frame. Still some lingering showers around, but the threat for severe weather should gradually diminish by tomorrow morning. By the time most of us wake up around 7 to 8 a.m., you can see mostly cloudy skies expected, but drying on out, and then a chance for a lingering shower, pop-up shower or two late tomorrow afternoon with that daytime heating. So in terms of the severe weather risk, level 1 out of 5, we are going to see the possibility of some gusty winds as well as hail. Heavy downpours possible. Tornado threat looks to be low, but not no. Temperatures right now very mild, or actually very warm. 79 in Orlando, 80 in Kissimmee. A lot of warmth to work with. Dew points are in the upper 60s as well. Tomorrow morning starting off in the mid 60s, and we will see high temperatures be warm once again with highs in the low 80s for inland spots, upper 70s to low 80s here along the coast. High rain chance tomorrow. That 60% is mostly again in the morning, and the impacts again mostly in the morning, overnight hours, likely while you're sleeping. Dry on out late week until our next front arrives over the weekend, bringing us another chance for showers and thunderstorms. Behind that front, though, cooler and more refreshing air for next week.